Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. It is time to talk about Solana. So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $19.05, up 5.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap currently sitting at $7.26 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 541.6 million. You know what we're here for? We're here for the price. So let's get right in today's analysis. Before we do get into that, you guys already know the drill. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Wow. You know, we have seen Solana done exactly what we projected on my update, when we were headed towards the downside. You can basically say that this level of support did hold out for us at that $18.14. We held very strong around this range at that so basically we did wick all the way down to that $16, obviously, when Bitcoin saw a flash dipped all the way down to that 19,500, but these levels did not hold too long. So if you had some buy orders placed in here, maybe your buy orders didn't even get filled around that time, but we did see Solana hold around the $17.20 pretty strongly, because you guys can see we had a little bit of support built up around there, and that's where we held. But most importantly, look what's happening. We are above once again that $18.16 level of resistance. If I bring out the closer time frame for you guys can see this better. You can see we did wick past it just March 11th. So just yesterday we did see Solana try to break out of this level of resistance, but never managed to close above it, because BTC was seeing quite a bit of volatility within its price because of USDC. But I'm very impressed for what I'm seeing for the price of Solana around here. And once again, you guys can see something very interesting is happening. We're seeing Solana about to break out of this previous higher high, you can say, that we created. And if we break out of here, we could be talking about another upwards trend formation forming. But before we even get excited, we do need to see the support line hold for the price of Solana. So if you picked up some Solana, let's say you had some buy orders placed in around this $16 mark, you are already up about 20%. So people, this is what that I don't understand about a lot of people. When things were going absolutely insane, bearish end of the spectrum. And, honestly, now that I'm trying to think about it, I've said this in my other videos, we possibly could have seen, a massive retracement occur because of the Silicon Valley Bank. Maybe some insiders knew something that we did not. Hence, we did see the market plummet all the way down to that $19,500 mark. But what have I said on my channel for the longest time? This $22,000 support line is extremely important, and it showed us the power of that. As soon as we broke below it, we saw the price of Bitcoin fall below $19,520. And obviously, I'm still on the bearish end of the spectrum right now until we break out of here. But we are hearing some good news come out of that USDC mania that was going on. Circle came out and said they are going to be covering $3.3 billion losses. So that is going to have a good impact on the entire crypto space, in my personal opinion. And not only that, this just shows what Bitcoin is here to do. It's a store of value. Not only that, you are your own bank, and no bank controls your money. We're seeing 2008 crisis all over again. People lining in front of the banks. Banks are closed. Banks filed for bankruptcy because they have no funds. Other companies that were banking with these companies are going bankrupt now. So this just shows the power of cryptocurrency, and people are starting to see that occur now. So what comes next for the price of Solana? Like I said, as long as we stay above this level of support, I am totally okay. And we are about to see once again face this $19.77 level of resistance for us a little bit, but I don't think it would be a problem for us if the volume is on our side, and especially Bitcoin momentum. We could be back to where we were prior to this cool off that we have seen. So this should be another opportunity for people to kind of realize that, number one, locking in profits is very important. And not only that, dollar cost averaging in at the lower price is important, because the lower the dollar cost average price price is for you, the more ROI you will receive. And you never want to be, if you bought it, you never want to be the weak hands that are getting shaken out of these whales, because guess what the whale's number one target is? To shake out the weak hands. And you do not want to be those weak hands. Just, if you've done your due diligence and you are okay with what you are holding, just have patience, because these kind of movements are here to shake out the weak hands. And obviously, because everyone does not make money in this market, some people has to lose and some people have to win in order for the market to win. Not everyone's going to be winning in this market, and let's put that out there right now. So you, on the Crypto ZX channel, we are the winners here. We all want to be the winners. So in order for us to be the winners, we do not want to be leverage trading, futures trading, and just sitting on the sidelines with our holdings if we're in for the long haul. And have patience, because patience will be the number one thing that will win at the end of the day. No targets are going to win. No leverage is going to win. It's going to be patience. So that is currently the scenario that I'm looking at for Solana, and I do believe Solana is about to show the world what it's really capable of doing. And I've said that and I'll say it again. I believe Solana is going to hit its previous all-time high and even higher. And I've even made a prediction as to where I could see Solana going if we take everything from historic price patterns and implement it into this next bull cycle. Again, history doesn't necessarily have to repeat itself, but overall, since the existence of crypto, we have seen history play itself over and over again. And if we take the same factor into play and bring it into this cycle, the next targets that I'm looking for Solana at all-time highs are insane, and I've made a video on that, and you guys are free to go watch that. So right now Solana is still very, very cheap, because you're getting one Solana at $18.90. The all-time high was $263. So let's put that into perspective as to how low Solana really is still from its all-time highs. This bull run has just started. We will see choppiness here and there, but you want to be holding strong around that time. So right now, all eyes on Bitcoin. We need to get above $22,000 mark for us to get excited, but so far Solana is looking good in my opinion. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Solana going this year, at the end of this year, not at the end of the month, at the end of this year, and then we will go from there. And also, if we're looking at staking rewards, you guys can see people are staking Solana, so I strongly encourage you guys to go stake your Solana and earn some passive income if you're in it for the long haul, because if you're just holding it and earning nothing, then that would be not the best thing to do, because you can be making free more Solanas over time, because it compounds and overall it grows in the long term. So strongly encourage you guys to do that, and let me know what you guys think. As always, don't forget to share this video, hit that like button, it's free to do so guys, and subscribe. We're on a road to 100,000 subscribers, so each and every one of you guys has to come and join, and that would be greatly appreciated. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me, and it means the world to me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.